Okay, so we're going to call this the worm project, worm or tubes, but we're going to make these three-dimensional worm-like, tube-like design using line. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make just random squiggly lines, curvy lines vertically on your paper. And, you know, make them different. The only thing is you don't want to overlap the lines. So once you do that, then you want to draw a horizontal line and make this one, you know, pretty dramatic. Just like a curved line. So from there, you're going to start to make your lines that create the volume for these. So where you want to start is you want to start with that middle line from end to end, and you want to make a curved line and just keep going with that curve of the line, the shape of this tube, to make it look like it has some volume to it. And then on the other end, you're going to go opposite. So you're going to try to get to that other end of the curved line or middle line. So that's the way it should look. So again, end to end on that middle line. End to end, opposite direction. End to end, end to end, and then keep going. So once you do these lines, okay, you are then going to Sharpie them. I have another paper here that I did earlier. So you want to Sharpie those lines. So you can see here I've already did these. And then once you know what you're doing, I mean, you don't have to wait for you to do it all in pencil. You can just trace that and keep going. Like that. Remember, end to end. End to end. Curved lines. And then, of course, you're going to do them all. Oops. Okay? So once you do that, then you could start your coloring. Here, I've done a few of these curved lines in Sharpie. But then you're going to color. And the way oh, by the way, you want to erase that middle line and any pencil marks that you have. So really you should be drawing lightly. I drew dark on that other paper so that you guys could see it. But really what you want to do is draw lightly. So you're going to pick whatever two colors you want. Make sure it's a light and a dark color. So here I'm using yellow and red. So what you first want to do, sorry, the alarm. What you first want to do is you want to do a light color on your worm tube. Using the light color pencil. Okay. And then you want to get your darker color. So here I'm using red. And you want to blend this one into that yellow. We did this on the worksheet. Of course, the ends here of the tube, it's going to be darker because the light is barely touching that area. Do a gradient, you know, hard pencil, then softer. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to take your white color pencil. So you get your white color pencil and you want to highlight that center where the light is hitting. Remember we did this. This is a tint. Okay. Then what you want to do is maybe get your black color pencil and do a shade. So you just want a little drama here at the end. Okay. So then we take our colorless blender. And there's the bell, but let me do this really quick. Oh, that's not the right one. Here it is. So you take your colorless blender, and then you want to blend these into each other. Here. And then I want to clean it because that black could stay and try to get into here, because we do want to move this red into that yellow a little bit. See how it turns orangey? And then if you want, get your white again and kind of blend that in a little bit more. Well, I have students at the door, so I'm going to stop this recording now, but hopefully you got the idea. Okay.